Patio season here in Canada can be short, so we like to start early. Maybe too early. But I really wanted to get in there and get this deck ready for the season because the weather can turn at any moment. You need to be ready. And while the deck was being finished, I was planning and shopping at the Home Depot for all the furniture I needed, and I was able to find it all online. This deck was so large, I was able to plan for 4 different zones. There's a barbecue zone right near the house. There is a dining area. There's a sectional, like a good seating area to relax, and then a lounging area to enjoy some sun. The first thing I ordered was a sectional couch. What the homeowner wanted was enough space for her and her family to sit around the fire. We placed this under the awning so it could be enjoyed during the day without the scorching sun, but it's a perfect seating arrangement at night too to enjoy the fire bowl. This sectional was really great for this nook as well because it was low profile and it didn't block the window. The lighting, we wanted it to be permanent, so it's been hardwired to the house and went for a bit of a transitional style because her home is traditional, but the deck is a little more modern. This fire bowl is great. It has a lid so it can turn into a coffee table when you're not using it, and it's hooked up to the natural gas line from the house, which is super convenient. The homeowner just wanted a very small dining set, and I found the perfect piece for the space. This seats 4, but it has some weight to it. It looks super cool with that faux concrete top, and the chairs are beautifully woven but have a bit of a modern flair to them. What I love about these chairs too is that they are super comfy. Big pillows on them, but they're lightweight enough that you can easily turn them around and enjoy the fire bowl. The teak loungers I absolutely loved. Not only did they have a really slim shape to them, but they folded up perfectly flat for storage. Warm weather is coming, guys, promise. We placed a rug right underneath them to define the area and a beautiful bright yellow umbrella because, hey, it's summer. Of course, we wanted to add some greenery to the deck, and we did that with some resin planters. I went with 2 different sizes just to add a bit of variety in height. What's cool about these planters is that even though they're lightweight because they're resin, they have a double wall design so you can fill the reservoir with water to make them nice and heavy and sturdy. No deck is complete without a barbecue, and that is a fact. So we added the Weber Genesis 2 with natural gas in stainless steel for all of her barbecue needs. And to make the space more functional, we added a serving cart on wheels that has some tiered shelving so she could put her herbs out, her barbecue tools, prepare a cocktail, whatever. This family's planning on spending a lot more time at home this summer, especially now that they have this dream deck. Investing in your outdoor space, and especially in those few little luxuries like a fire bowl or an awning, can really help you maximize your patio season. But I might need to wait another month because it's cold. Oh, this is nice. I can work with this.